Hello, I'm Amy Cook, Training Lead for Exams Officers at Cambridge International. Due to the COVID-19 outbreak, the guidance in our current Cambridge Handbook about inquiries about results, services and appeals does not apply to the June 2020 series. For June 2020, you can ask us to check the results for a syllabus from a revised selection of post-results checks. I would explain how you can apply to our post-result checks for the June 2020 series. Results for the June 2020 series will be released on the 11th of August for Cambridge IGCSE, O-Levels and Cambridge International AS and A-Level, and on the 12th of August for Cambridge Pre-U. After results are released, schools will have the opportunity to submit post-result services. The deadline for all services is the 20th September 2020. We will provide outcomes within the deadlines set out on our post-results checks and appeals pages of our website. Submitting post-result services. Log in to Cambridge International Direct, we refer to this as Direct, and select the Administer Exams tab. Select the Inquiries About Results / Post-Results Check tab and select the June 2020 series. Here you will see a list of services available to you, the deadline and the number of days remaining before the deadline passes. Click Create Inquiry. Select the service and check your centre details are correct. It's really important you check your centre's email address. If it is incorrect, update details by selecting My Centre Details. Any post-results checks you request will apply to all the candidates entered for a particular syllabus. We cannot review the grade of an individual candidate. This means you do not need to submit any candidate details when requesting a post-results check. Select the qualification and syllabus for which you want to request a post-results check. You cannot select specific components because the exams did not take place. For syllabuses with an AS and A-level option or core and extended option, you will need to select the qualification level you want to submit the check for. If you want to submit checks for both qualifications levels, you will need to do this separately. You can save or delete your inquiry at any stage. If you click Save, a message confirming your request will appear. At this stage, you have not yet submitted your request and you can make further changes. For a Service 2 post-results check, you will need to submit evidence as listed in the Post-Results Checks and Appeals Supplement for June 2020 series. You can also use the form on the Post-Results Checks and Appeals pages of our website, cambridgeinternational.org/postresults. If you click Delete, a message confirming your request will appear and you will be redirected to the Inquiries About Results / Post-Results Check tab. If you want to request a post-results check, you will need to start your request again. Once you are ready to submit your request, select Submit. A declaration window will appear. Read the declarations, tick the checkboxes and click Submit. Once you have submitted your request, the status of your request will be shown as submitted. We will now process your submitted request and give it an inquiry number. At this stage, the status of your inquiry will show as received. Please use your inquiry number if you contact us about the request. You should receive your inquiry number within 24 hours of submitting your request. If you do not, please contact our customer services team at info@cambridgeinternational.org. If we have questions about your request, we will contact you. When we receive your request, we will send you an email to acknowledge your request has been submitted. If you do not receive your acknowledgement email after 2 working days of submitting your request, contact us immediately, as this may mean we have not received your request. You should check the acknowledgement email to make sure the details are correct. If you find any errors, contact us immediately. You can email info@cambridgeinternational.org with the query. Please report any errors to us within 24 hours of the acknowledgement email being issued to make sure you have submitted the correct post-results check. We will upload the outcome of your post-results check to the Inquiries About Results / Post-Results Check tab of Direct. We will email you when an outcome is available. Your outcome letter will be shown as Out Letter. Download your letter by clicking on the file name. If your request leads to changes in syllabus grades, you will receive updated hard copy statements of results. Once you have submitted a post-result check, you can submit further post-result checks before the deadline of the 20th September. However, you can only submit one results check for one syllabus and qualification level. Your associate centres should submit requests for post-result checks to you through Direct. You will either approve the request and send it to us, or reject the request and send it back to your associate centre. We will email you to acknowledge the request has been submitted, which you should forward to your associate centre. You and your associate centre should check the acknowledgement email to make sure the details are correct. If any errors are found, they should contact you immediately, and then you can email info@cambridgeinternational.org with the query. Please report any errors to us within 24 hours of the acknowledgement email being issued to make sure you've submitted the correct post-results check. When the outcome letter is uploaded to your account, you will receive a notification email. The status of the request will change to completed in your Direct account and the Associate Centres account. To send the outcome letter to the Associate Centres account, you should select the relevant post-results check request by ticking the checkbox on the left-hand side of the screen. Select Release Outcome Letter from the Operations drop-down menu and click Proceed. Click Release Outcome Letter. You should follow the same process to release other documents relating to post-result checks for your Associate Centres. Once you have released documents to your Associate Centre, the Associate Centre can access them by clicking on the Post-Results Check request and double-clicking on the link in the Name column. If you do not have access to Direct due to your specific relationship with us, please contact Customer Services. To appeal against the outcome of a post-results check, you can use our two-stage appeals process. For more information, please read the Post-Results Checks and Appeals Supplement for the June 2020 series, Supplement to the Cambridge Handbook, which you can find on our website, cambridgeinternational.org/postresults. You should also read the Cambridge Appeals Regulation and Guidance section of the Cambridge Handbook, which can be found at cambridgeinternational.org/exams officers guide. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you for your patience as we've developed and communicated the steps for post-results checks for the June 2020 series. For more information, see our website or contact Customer Services. If you're an Associate Centre or work with us through the British Council and have any questions about post-result checks, you should contact your Cambridge Associate.